So I have put a couple of video links on a couple of Facebook groups that I'm in. Thank you for those that allow posting things like that. Still not getting a ton of feedback, but I did get a couple of subscribers, so I thought that was really sweet. But I would love to see your comments on any of my videos, for any of my techniques. What could I work on? What could I do better, differently? You know, technique-wise, paint, am I using too much, too little, too thick, too thin? Got my handy dandy roll of paper towels, which I never think there are enough of. Because this is messy. Same thing with the one I did with my son. I think part of him just wanted to be messy. He just wanted to get messy with Mom. Mom's not the messiest person, and I think he just wanted to get his hands in there, get messy. He enjoyed it. I enjoyed it too. I don't know if anybody watched that video either, but oh my gosh, if you did you notice how many edits were? That video was so long, guys, so long. I kept having to cut out stuff, and he would lean on the table, put his hands on the table, and like shake it, and the whole thing was just vibrating. This is not the sturdiest workspace. This is not what I use to dry, by the way, because I can never get this table perfectly level. I do like using these little plastic cups for the feet. That is helpful. All right, let's make some stuff happen. There we go again with the, I kind of want to do just like a diagonal swoosh kind of thing. Metallic purple. Silver. Artist Loft Silver. I could almost just leave it like this, couldn't I? I have noticed that Canella, I got the name right, by the way. Woohoo! Canella, when she does her bottles, she uses a paper towel every time she takes the top off. Now, my only question is, how do you keep the little paint that's in the top from splashing? So I've been covering that when I pour. So that does help with the paint not splashing when I open it. But I have to go one step further and cover the caps, since all of these have the attached caps. These little ones don't. The other ones do. All right, this is the magenta from Liquitex Basics. Boy, I don't know, do I want to add that to it? I just about to pour it, and now I'm thinking, I don't know if I want it in there. The cap's in there. Yeah. Good job, me. All right. I want this. Is that going to look good in there? You betcha it's going to look great, right? That's the other thing about this medium. Look at the cap stuck between my fingers. What is with this cap? I don't think there is a wrong way to do. I take that back. There are certain things it's the wrong way to do. But I mean, as far as color combinations and stuff, I don't think there's a wrong color combination. I'm gonna start right here, and I'm gonna go like that. Look at all that paint. Now this is when I need a tile, right? Swipe that on a tile. Curious, just to see what happens. Not on top of the painting though. Nope. Nope. I think I'm gonna end up with mud again. Yep, mud. Yeah. All right, just a thought. Thanks for rolling with me while I thought that through. But I think it's all trial and error, at least for me. Definitely trial and error. This corner is not, is it the spatula that's funky on that edge, or is it the canvas? Maybe it's the spatula. It does have kind of a bevel to it. I like that, it's right there. Maybe the spatula is too big. Just swipe in smaller sections. Oh, blue. Hello, blue. Use the little one. Okay. Getting there. Hey guys, as I'm watching this, I'm noticing as I swipe that a lot of my colors are getting buried underneath the black. Please comment below and let me know if you are noticing something that I'm not. Is it to do with my paint consistencies, my mix ratios, my swipe technique? Whatever you see, please let me know. That is not a wild bird. That is the backup ringer on the neighbor's van. If you heard that, that's what that was. And yes, it is quite annoying. However, with little kids, it is appreciated. Although I do think, couldn't you just look where you're going, or no? All right, I think I'm gonna let this one dry. All right, let me know what you think. Comments, questions, suggestions, please. Thank you.